When you learn how to make this simple dessert, there won't be anything left over. Here I have some guava jam. I'll put it in this pan and add a cup of water to melt the guava jam. It's very simple to make, super easy with just a few ingredients. So once the guava is melted, we'll add some colored gelatin that has already been hydrated according to the specifications on the package. Let's stir it in very well. Then after mixing the gelatin, we'll add the guava to a greased mold. Put it in the fridge for 2 hours, and now let's move on to the next part. In a blender, add 200 grams of cream, then add 250 grams of cream cheese, 395 grams of condensed milk, and to add more flavor to our recipe to make it perfect, we'll add 200 grams of grated mozzarella cheese and finally add some hydrated colored gelatin. Once that's done, we'll blend it until it's smooth, and when we've reached that point, we can turn off the blender and add our cream to the mold. Once that's done, just put it in the fridge for 4 hours and our dessert is ready. Guys, it was simply delicious. Just make it at your house because there won't be any left. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.